In this video, I'm going to be sitting back, relaxing, and using my mind. So if you're interested in finding out what this is all about, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me, and you're in the right place if you want to make decorating a bit easier on a budget. If so, then click that red subscribe button you see down below, then a bell will appear. Click that bell twice so you'll be notified each time I upload something new. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I sit and relax and prepare my mind to do my planning for 2020 for YouTube. So if you're interested in seeing how I prepare, then you know what to do. Stick around. Well, I'm starting off by getting my planners together. Now, the smaller planner is from 2019 and the larger planner is for 2020. I found this second planner at Walmart. It is a happy planner, and that is my pink tablet that I'm going to use to look up stuff on. I always try to plan and have everything close to hand. I'm sitting in a really comfortable area in my room with my throw, keeping my legs and feet warm, comfortable with all my mess around me. And right now I'm planning out the rest of the year, making sure I have everything set for the end of December, that is. We have some videos coming up due, and I want to make sure that I have those done and in my calendar as either completed or in the process. Now, this stack of papers you see here are my forms that I print off my YouTube checklist forms that I have on my website, Creatively Miss Me. Now, what I use this form for is I print off the title of the video, when it's due, all the information that you need, the descriptions, what they want in the rules, all that comes printed out on this form, which makes it a little easier. And that stack is pretty thick. It's from, I think, June or July till December. But I make a point of using both sides of the form, of the sheet of paper, so it's something on both sides. Now, what I do is I go through it and I look up information to make sure what I have on the calendar lines up with what I have on my form. Yeah, I know sometimes I overdo stuff. Yeah, I just have to have things done in a certain order in order for it to work for me. Now, I know I have my planner and I have those forms and I have my notes of different activities and things I want to try for the new year. So here I am looking at December and January forms that I already have printed off and making sure they're in the calendar book. Now, during this planning session where I'm going through my forms, my notes, and checking on my spreadsheet and looking up things I have downloaded from Google and from YouTube to prepare myself for a 2020 calendar year. Now, in this session here with myself, I'm planned all the way up until April. I have all my stuff planned up until April, and at this moment I have videos recorded up to the first week of February. So I've been kind of busy doing things, trying to get ahead of the game, making sure I keep up with only just not my challenges, but the other challenges and open invitations that come up during the year. So I'm going to stop talking now and just let you watch me for a minute to see my whole process. If you haven't gone already to check out creativelymissme.com, why don't you go check out my blog? I have also created forums to making planning easier for home organization and for content creators. Make sure you sign up for the quickest updates. And also, if you like my content, you know what to do. Give your girl a thumbs up, comment, and share my video. And as always, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching, and you be blessed. And don't forget to go to the next screen. It's always something new on the last screen.